how to create a brand new website that has 0 backlinks right now and rank it in Google within just 1 week. Hello and welcome to Rank Your YouTube channel. Within these video tutorials, as promised to long-term Rank Your followers, I will reverse engineer this website and show you how in the world did I put out a brand new website and start driving website traffic within just 1 week in a highly competitive industry. As in, these keywords are highly priced for web hosting reviews. So this is an intro video. Will touch base with the essentials. Whether you're a local business, e-commerce operator, or you're AdSense marketer, affiliate marketer, these video tutorials will be of help to you. So first, let's touch base with the importance of domain names and domain extension. In Australia, .com.au is the domain extension. But let's imagine you're in US and you're targeting people in Australia. Then .au may be ideal because .com.au requires an ABN to register. Crazy Domains, I recommend it because I use it. So when you're putting out a website for the first time, particularly, there's 2 things that you should consider. One is, how are you going to drive potential customers or clients? If you're going to rely heavily on Google website traffic, then you may want to include some important keywords within the domain name itself. Or better yet, you may include some keywords and also consider branding. Now, if you focus just on branding, perhaps you already got an established business, then understand that it may take a bit of time for you to drive website traffic. Next is the performance of your web hosting. In Australia, Crazy Domains, first year prices and renewal rates that are competitive, they cannot be beaten. So this website is built on Crazy Domain servers. And to make these video tutorials worthwhile and also affordable, I've used the basic economy package for the Linux web hosting from Crazy Domains. But surely you may already have a web hosting. That's okay, as long as you understand the importance of performance of your web server. If it's too slow, you have to upgrade it, or else you can't drive website traffic coming from Google. Reason being, Google is focused on providing great user experience to any website it sends traffic to. And it makes sense. If website visitors wait too long, then that's a bad user experience. Next, we'll be using WordPress. Once again, Linux web hosting plan, even the economy package, Crazy Domains already installs WordPress for you. Does that mean you have to use WordPress? No. You can use any content management system and still get great results. Yeah. If finances are not a worry, then there is different server types too, whether it's virtual private servers or business hosting and so on. At the end of the day, understand the importance of the performance of your web host, or else it'll be difficult to achieve any results on internet. So domain extension, server location, and the performance of your web host. You need to get these right. So we'll reverse engineer this website as an example. With cPanel, you can install WordPress or different content management systems. Next, what's very important is you step back and ask this question to yourself. Who's your target audience? Because you already know who they are, correct? If not, you need to do your research into your target audience. You may need to look at some social media profiles, as in groups in social media profiles, or even communities or forums, to simply listen into what they're saying. You know, what do they want? If they're providing reviews for products or services you're offering, what do they really want? What are they happy with? What are they not happy with? Because gathering this initial research will allow you to provide content accordingly. Next, keyword research is a must. As you can see, web hosting reviews is this website is related to, particularly for Crazy Domains. But as you can see, these is highly competitive keywords. You know, some others are paying 4 to 15 Australian dollars per click. And yet, not only I'm driving website traffic within 1 week, surely it's just 1 click, but that's a brand new website. And the fact that I haven't even finished the website properly yet. Surely you don't want to do that. You want to make sure you follow these insights correctly. So, Google Keyword Planner tool is a must tool to use. You can go to Tools, Keyword Planner, and start exploring your industry keywords. You can download keyword ideas. Then, next, what you want to go to Google and start searching web hosting reviews. I can see here Keyword Australia is right up my alley, so I can create content accordingly. Also, date-based keywords are absolutely easy to rank too. So if someone asks a question, web hosting reviews 2025, I can easily create a blog post and say web hosting reviews for 2026. So anticipation is also a goldmine in terms of keyword targeting and ranking. And remember, where you're learning these proven website optimization and Google ranking mastery, and that is Rank Your YouTube channel. Because there's a lot of so-called experts out there, but none of them can show you the results as I am showing them to you, okay? So keyword research with a Keyword Planner tool. You don't have to advertise with Google Ads to use this tool. And next is Google search box, and say, okay, you know what? How competitive is the keyword? People also consider asking different keywords. So all of these, you can group them together and say, okay, you know what? Okay, I'll just show you this example. Let's say these are the keywords. People ask these. Okay, what if I do something like this? Web hosting. What if I say, hey, is GoDaddy a good web host? Is it? I use them. They're okay. But Crazy Domains is better for Australian audience. What if I say B? Or best web hosting Australia? All of these will allow you to create content in such way that you can target keywords accordingly. When you target keywords, you don't just want to target 1, 2, 3 keywords, but you need to learn to stem different keywords from the ones you're targeting. That's why keyword research coupled with keyword research from Google is absolutely a must. Next, what's very important in today's internet world is the usability of your website. That's why the performance of your web server was critical. Your website theme should be easy to navigate through. It should not be complex, and it should perform well whether it's on a desktop or on a mobile device visit, because people use their laptop, tablets, or even their mobile phone to visit your website. And Google rankings considers all these things in terms of providing great user experience to its own customers, which are the searchers. So these are the essentials that you need to have in place, and triple make sure that you cover all these angles if you haven't done so already. As I've said, whether you're a local business, e-commerce operator, or affiliate marketer, or a blogger with AdSense code on the website, these are the fundamentals to have in place if you want to dominate Google search of the future. In the next video tutorial, we'll continue learning how to optimize our website and drive website traffic to a brand new website within 1 week. If you already have an established website, you still will benefit from these insights and increase your website traffic exponentially in the shortest amount of time possible. And I'll talk with you in the next video session.